Hi, I'm Nischal Narayanam, founder of our education company, Nischals Smart Learning Solutions. The core ideology of our company has always been to transform conventional teaching and learning practices from a theoretical, abstract, chalk and talk based approach to a practical, activity based, hands on experimental learning. Our portable labs perfectly manifest this vision. Let me introduce you to our world class, cutting edge chemistry lab, where elements come alive, reactions tell stories, and science takes center stage, blending both education and innovation seamlessly. Our chemistry lab is a perfect antidote to the conventional approach of taking a child to a lab in a school, but instead is bringing the lab itself into the classroom so that every day, every concept can be learned in a practical lab atmosphere in the classroom itself.
Join us as we take a closer look at some of the tools in our chemistry lab. Equipped with our own heat source, our spirit lamp facilitates experiments such as chemical combination reactions, reactions between acids and metals, and exploring phenomena like evaporation and heat conduction. Our diverse set of micro-scale borosilicate glassware includes test tube holders, and a selection of beakers, allowing us to conduct a wide range of experiments. These tools support our exploration of basic chemical concepts such as double displacement reactions, metal corrosion, and salt classification based on acidity. They also enable us to estimate pH levels of acids, bases, and salts, investigate fundamental principles like diffusion, and many more. Our innovative micro-scale electrolysis apparatus, along with circuit board, adapter, and connecting wires, replaces the conventional cumbersome setup, enabling us to perform experiments such as electrolysis of water, electrical conductivity of liquids, and electroplating. Our well plate is a versatile tool for determining chemical acidity and basicity with various indicators. It replaces 96 test tubes and enables efficient testing and observation with just 1 ml of chemical. Explore a multitude of separation concepts with our lab tools, from sublimation, filtration, and evaporation with our China dish, to immiscible liquid separation with our double mouth flask, chromatography with our cylinders, and distillation with our conical flasks. Our tools open doors to many learning opportunities. By replacing over 100 conventional tools, our W tube facilitates experiments on the reactions of metal bicarbonates and carbonates, as well as metal hydrogen carbonates with acids, and streamlines the process of studying these chemical reactions. Our chemistry lab is fully equipped with a wide range of supporting tools to facilitate experiments like microspatulas, zinc strips, emery paper, blue and red litmus paper, droppers, universal indicator solution, fusion tubes, watch glasses, funnels, tripods, and tongs, ensuring that all the necessary equipment is readily available. We also prioritize safety by providing essentials such as a first aid box, lab apron, safety gloves, and glasses. Furthermore, about 30 chemicals are offered in limited quantities, thereby minimizing waste and promoting sustainability. Our eco-friendly and user-friendly lab setup allows us to maintain the quality and standard of experiments while minimizing environmental impact.
Our chemistry lab has over 1,000 lab components with world-class borosilicate microscale apparatus, class-wise lab manuals and video guides, as well as a wide range of charts. We can perform over 500 experiments covering the entire curriculum from class 6 to 10.